Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block and unblock someone on Snapchat. First, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and that your VPN is turned off. Now, open Snapchat and go to the chat section. If you want to block someone, simply tap on that person's chat, go to Manage Friendship, and you'll see the option to block. Just tap on it to block that person. If you later want to unblock that person, you can do it easily. Simply tap on that person again. But if you can't find them, go to your profile settings. Scroll down and find the Blocked Users section. Tap on it, and you'll see the list of people you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock, tap on their name, and you'll see the option to unblock them. Confirm by tapping Yes, and that's it. That's how you can block or unblock any user on Snapchat. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.